Welcome to today's edition of the AI watching stock news, deal tracker, and advancements in artificial intelligence. This is a special edition of the AI featuring Gopher Protocol Inc. and VSBLTY Group Technologies Corp. Gopher is a development stage company developing IoT and artificial intelligence-enabled mobile technology, and VSBLTY is the world leader in proactive digital display, which transforms retail and public spaces as well as place-based media networks with software as a service-based audience measurement and security software that uses AI and machine learning. Gopher is traded on the OTCQB under the ticker symbol GOPH, and VSBLTY is traded on the CSE under the ticker symbol VSBY and the OTC under the ticker VSBYF. Hey folks, Sam Mowers here, your host for the AI. For stock news today, we'll talk about Gopher Protocol's inclusion of natural language processing into their Avant AI platform, VSBLTY Group and their partner Onyx deploying the former software in South Africa and Australia, and NVIDIA's partnership with King's College to develop an AI platform for the UK's NHS. Gopher Protocol Inc., which is traded on the OTCQB under the ticker symbol GOPH, has announced that natural language processing, or NLP, speech recognition has been integrated into the company's Avant AI mobile app. Danny Rittman, Gopher's chief technology officer, commented, quote, "Now users are able to interact with Avant simply through voice command. The system enables human-to-machine communications and providing ease of use and mobile safety. In addition, the system supports big data, powerful computing, and enhanced algorithms. The machine translation operation is done using natural language that is converted into a computer language. The system includes techniques to analyze words in order to capture their semantic properties, to produce meanings, and to provide the answer. We see this feature as a great addition to our Avant AI interface in order to enhance its users' interaction experience. In addition, the speech recognition feature adds mobility safety since users now will be able to ask Avant using voice command and not only typing." End quote. This app is currently available for download on Android and iOS. VSBLTY Group Technologies Corp., which is traded on the CSE under the ticker symbol VSBY and the OTC under the ticker symbol VSBYF, and their partner Onyx-Glass have jointly announced that the latter will deploy the former software on vending machines and in coolers across South Africa and Australia over a staged deployment for leading international beverage companies. VSBLTY's Vision Captor and Data Captor platforms combine motion graphics and interactive brand messaging, providing customer audience measurement. Jay Hutton, who is VSBLTY's co-founder and CEO, said, quote, "VSBLTY technology will provide an in-depth look at vending machine traffic, including insights on the demographic makeup of shoppers. Information gleaned from the VSBLTY technology will include age, gender, and sentiment, as well as audience measurement, including content touches, traffic counts, and dwell time by location and day parts." End quote. And NVIDIA Corporation, which is traded on the Nasdaq under the ticker symbol NVDA, is partnering with King's College London to build an AI platform which will allow the UK's National Health Service, or NHS, to train computers to automate aspects of radiology interpretation, thereby improving diagnoses and patient care. Jaap Zwiderveld, NVIDIA's vice president for EMEA, said, quote, "Together with King's College London, we're working to push the envelope in AI for healthcare. DGX2 systems with the NVIDIA Clara platform will enable the project to scale and drive breakthroughs in radiology, ultimately helping to improve patient outcomes within the NHS." End quote. And as we shift away from stock news, we'll keep the theme of healthcare with a report published on Research and Markets that finds that the global AI in healthcare market is going to experience a compound annual growth rate of 50.78% in the forecast period of 2019 to 2024. An excerpt from the report description reads, quote, "Over the past few years, an array of economic, demographic, technological, as well as environmental factors have been igniting a digital revolution in the healthcare industry. Increasing investments in research and development projects associated with AI in healthcare by key players, including Google, IBM Watson, Intel Corporation, Microsoft Corporation, General Vision, etc., has been pushing the market in the right direction. In this research report, the market is segmented on the basis of AI technologies, components, as well as end users. On the basis of type of component, the software has been dominating the global market, while the segment of artificial intelligence services has been witnessing growth at a noteworthy rate. Amongst the regions, North America accounts for the largest regional share in the global AI and healthcare market in 2018. However, in the forecast period, the Asia-Pacific region is anticipated to advance at the highest pace. Some of the key factors driving the robust growth rate of the Asia-Pacific region include the presence of a vast consumer base, significant improvement in medical infrastructure, and rapid economic development. End quote. And that's it for today's AII. If you would like to be a guest or sponsor for this podcast, contact InvestorIdeas.com. Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investment involves risk and possible loss of investment. To hear more InvestorIdeas.com podcasts, please visit InvestorIdeas.com/audio. And a reminder, you can also hear our podcasts on Spotify, iTunes, TuneIn, Stitcher, Spreaker.com, iHeartRadio.com, and Google Play Music. To learn more about Gopher, please visit gopherprotocol.com or visit the InvestorIdeas.com profile page at investorideas.com/co/GOPH. And to learn more about visibility, please visit VSBLTY.net, that's VSBLTY.net, or visit the InvestorIdeas.com profile page at investorideas.com/co/VSBY. For disclosure purposes, Gopher and Visibility are PR news and social media featured companies on InvestorIdeas.com.